Welcome to DailyStockHunt.com and Stocks and News today.
Adani Power Limited has announced that Reliance Industries Limited has acquired a 26% stake in a 600 megawatt unit of APL's subsidiary, Mahan Energen Limited, as part of a 20-year power purchase agreement. Consequently, MAL is no longer a wholly owned subsidiary of APL. Adani Port received a 30-year LOI from Deen Dayal Port Authority to develop, operate and maintain berth number 13, a 300-meter berth with a 5.7 MMT annual capacity for multipurpose clean cargo, including containers, expected to be commissioned in financial year 2026-27. Intrasoft Technologies Limited announced that its subsidiary repaid $7,500,000 loan from Citibank funded by an equity investment from the company. The standby letter of credit facility has been closed. Muthoot Finance has approved the issuance of $100 million 7.125% senior secured notes due 2028 under its $2 billion global medium term note program. The proceeds will be used for onward lending activities in compliance with RBI regulations. The notes will be listed on NSE IFSC Limited. Marathon NextGen Realty Limited reported a Q1 financial year 25 pre-sales of Rs 214 crores, a 10% quarter-on-quarter decrease. The area sold was 79,239 square feet, down 21% quarter-on-quarter. Collections increased by 8% quarter-on-quarter to Rs 272 crores. Net debt stood at Rs 728 crores. Snowman Logistics received Rs 17.54 crores in demand notices from the Income Tax Department for assessment years 2017 to 18, 2018 to 19, 2020 to 21 and 2021 to 22 related to Section 35 AD of the Income Tax Act 1961. They have provisioned Rs 4.34 crores as precaution in appealing the assessment.
For more news and updates, check our website dailystockhunt.com.